Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and y'all grab your phone, grab your car keys, and throw on those running shoes because we've got an awesome run glitch going on at Dollar General right now. Before you do all that, make sure that you're subscribed and turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome deals like this one right here. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, now first up, just a quick friendly reminder that Dollar General is absolutely on fire this week, jam-packed, full of deals. We've got new coupons, new glitches, overages, amazing clearance, a huge penny list. So if you have missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check them out. Everything's going to be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now I know that some people hate it whenever I do this, but I have to throw out these disclaimers. So if you are new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item, price check it, make sure all the deals show up underneath, and keep in mind that prices can vary from store to store. Now also, this is a big run glitch, so it is going to be very important that you all watch the video all the way through. I try to keep these as short, sweet, and simple as possible, and to the point. Quick, easy, and to the point. So please watch the video all the way through. That way you don't miss out on any important details, and that way you can run out and get in on these crazy deals. Alright, so first things first, what products are we looking for? We are going to be looking for cereal bars, specifically the General Mills Cinnamon Toast Crunch 8-count cereal bars. Okay, these are in the regular spot right next to the cereal. You might find them by the oatmeal or the juices. Here's the UPC code. It is on your screen. Now, let's take a look at the price. This is what you're going to be looking for whenever you go in and you scan the products, okay? So it says that it's regularly priced at $7.70, but the actual price in store is $3.85. So something in the Dollar General system has messed up. There's a price discrepancy there, and that is where this glitch is coming into play. Plus, we have a little sale going on, which we're going to talk about here in just a second. You're also going to be on the lookout for these General Mills Lucky Charms cereal bars. Again, these are 8-count box. They should be right beside each other, literally right beside each other in the same section. So here's the UPC code on your screen, and again, let's take a look at the price. Normally $7.70, but the actual in-store price right now is $3.85. That's where I think that this glitch is coming into play. That's what you're going to want to look for when you scan the items in store. Now, like I said, these items are also on sale right now. They're on sale 2 for $6. So what you are going to need to do is purchase these in multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. You can break it up however you want to, or you can include as many in one transaction as you want, but you need to make sure that you are at an even number at the end, okay? Keep those in multiples of 2. That way the sale comes into play and you get the glitch deal. Now, where is this glitch working? This is working at new registers with the cashier or at self-checkout, okay? New register and self-checkout glitch. So you need to run into the store, grab all your boxes, again in multiples of 2. You can include 10 in one transaction and it will still work. Or you can do them 2 at a time. However you want to do it, either way, as long as you're ringing them up in multiples of 2, that is going to leave you paying 1 penny per box. Can you all believe that? That is absolutely fantastic. I am so excited for this glitch, and as soon as I get this video uploaded, your girl's going to be running out to some more stores. So I have one more thing to share with you all that is going to make this deal a money-making deal, and that is a DG cashback offer. We have 75 cents back when you purchase 2. Now, I know that a lot of people say that the cashback offers don't work at new registers and they don't work at self-checkout, but I can promise you all, they have been working for me at self-checkout for a very long time. I'm going to test it out at new registers today again just to make sure, but make sure that you have this clipped to your account either way. Whether you think it's going to work or not, either way, go ahead and clip it to your account. If you get that cash back, that's going to make your transaction free plus a money maker. So it's just a little extra bonus right on the top. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Y'all get out there and get in on this amazing Runnnn food glitch. And please come back and let us know how it all worked out for you. How many boxes did you pick up? What did you pay? Did the cashback show up on your account? All the details. Leave it for us down in the comment section below. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now, but y'all make sure that you stick around and stay tuned because I have more crazy deals coming at you all very, very soon. So before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Please, it really does help me out. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.